Hello. In this example, we have to simplify cube root of 40 x to the 10th y to the 14th. So we want to break this cube root into cube root of base to the power divisible by 3, because that will cancel out with the cube root, times cube root of whatever's left over. So let's factor 40 and see if we can get a cube out of it. 40 is 4 times 10. 4 can be broken down into 2 times 2. These are prime. 10 can be broken down into 2 times 5. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 is 40. So 40 can be rewritten as 2 to the third times 5. And we have one perfect cube. So let's break our cube root into cube root with perfect cubes on the left times cube root of whatever's left over on the right. So 2 to the third has a power that is divisible by 3. We will put it in the left radical. 2 to the 3. We only have one factor of 5. 1 is not divisible by 3, so we will put it in the right radical. So let's rewrite x to the 10 as product of two x's, and we will start counting backwards. 10 cannot be divided by 3. 1 less is 9. We can divide 9 by 3, so that will be our perfect cube. So x to the 9th times 1 more x will give us x to the 10. 9 can be divided by 3, so this is our perfect cube. And we will put x to the 9 into the right radical, and x to the 1 will go into the cube root that is hosting the leftovers. So we have 5x in the leftovers. Let's rewrite y to the 14th in terms of perfect cubes and leftovers. So we will have two bases of y times y, and power 14, let's rewrite it in terms of something that is divisible by 3 evenly. 14 cannot be divided by 3. 1 less is 13, cannot be divided by 3. 2 less is 12. 12 can be divided by 3, so we will have y to the 12 times y to the second, because we went down by 2. Y to the 12 times y to the second will give us y to the 14 back. So we have successfully broken down y to the 14th into y to the power that is divisible by 3. So y to the 12 is our perfect cube times the leftover y to the second, because we cannot divide 2 by 3 evenly. So y to the second will go into our leftover root. So we have cube root of 2 to the third, x to the 9th, y to the 12th, times cube root of 5x y to the second. To simplify this, we just need to rewrite this in terms of rational exponents or factor out the cube power. I prefer to just divide powers using rational exponents. So the leftover cube root of 5x y to the second will stay as is no matter what. Then we have, I'm going backwards, we have y to the 12 divided by 3, x to the 9 divided by 3, 2 to the 3 divided by 3. Once you have the exponents in terms of division of exponent by a root, you have already taken the third root. You just need to simplify. So we get 2 to the 3 out of 3. Something divided by itself cancels into 1. So we have 2. X to the 9 divided by 3 is 3. Y to the 12 divided by 3 is 4. Times cube root of 5x y to the second. So 2x to the third y to the fourth times cube root of 5x y to the second is our solution. That's all.